guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and this is basically the makeup that I do whenever I'm going out. Like, this is the only way I know how to do makeup, and I'm going to be showing you guys today what I do, what products I use, and the techniques that I use as well. So I just want to put a disclaimer that I'm not a professional. I don't know much about makeup, but this is what I do know. So if you see me doing something throughout the video, don't be like, what is she doing? Just keep watching. So first thing I do, usually put either Blistex or Vaseline on my lips. I already did that before the video. So next up, I do my eyebrows first. So also my makeup is very natural. Like, I always go for a very natural look. So you'll see that I use a very small amount of foundation and all the products that I use. So first I do eyebrows. So I have a mirror over here, so you'll see me looking over here just to get a little bit more accurate. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color chocolate, but of course I'll attach all of the products and the links below in the description box. So first I just brush my eyebrows. I brush the front upwards. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little space in my eyebrow here. So then I take the other side and I just fill it in. Towards the end, I like to put a little tail towards the end. And then I rarely fill in the front, but if I do, it's very light. And then I go back and I brush. I hope you guys are seeing this properly. So then I do the same for the other brow. And go like so. Next we're going to conceal the brows. What I'm going to use is pro concealer in the color Fawn. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this before. So this I bought at the beauty supply store for about $2.99, $3. I don't remember how much the brow wiz was, but I believe it's like 20 something. But of course I'll attach the link below. So basically this is a brush that I'm using. I think this is from Anastasia as well. This is a very old brush that I've had, and so it has a spoolie on one end and an angled brush, I believe it's called, on the other end. So I'm just going to squirt out a little and then just put it on the brush. And then here I'm just going to basically underline my brow. I don't know the proper terminology because literally this is not my thing, but this is very requested by my friends, so I'm making this video. So here I'm just going to line my brow like so. Then I'm going to squeeze a little bit more and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so this is how my brows look right now. Then I'm gonna take this brush. I don't remember where I got this brush from, but I've had it for a while. Just a little brush. So I'm just gonna raise my brows and then I like blend it in. So I'm gonna just blend it in like so. You want to make sure that there isn't a harsh line underneath your eyebrows. So I'm going to do the same to the other side. And then just blend. I hope you guys are seeing this. I can't even really tell, but okay. Once I've done that, I will go ahead and prime my face with a primer. So your primer depends on your skin type. So this one is Urban Decay Optical Illusion. I have very oily skin. So this is called Complexion Primer. So I usually actually don't use this one. People are probably gonna kill me for this, but I usually use Milk of Magnesia. Like, if I know I'm going out and I'm gonna be out like for, you know, a good amount of time, I don't want my face to get oily, and I feel like that's the only product that works for my face, being that I have oily skin. but for the sake of this video we're gonna use this so people don't curse me out, be like, why are you putting milk and magnesium on your skin? Because a lot of people don't advocate for it. So I just put it in the places that I know I get oily, which is literally almost my entire face, and I rub it in. Probably should have put more, but like I said, this is not the product that I usually use, so I'm probably acting cute right now. So next I go to the foundation. So I use, this is the only foundation that I've tried and I actually like. I haven't tried any high end. I have the NARS, but I haven't really tested it out, you know, and actually wore it and see like if I like the foundation. But this one is Black Opal True Color, and I think the color, this is Hazelnut. So I usually put the foundation on my hand like this. So I'm going to put, let me just make sure you guys can see, I usually put about this much first, then I go in with my beauty blender. So my beauty blender is damp. You have to damp your, well, I like to damp my beauty blender to blend out my foundation. And then I just go like this and I start to put on my skin. I usually don't like to put a lot of foundation. Like I try not to put too much underneath my eyes because I'm gonna conceal and put product under there, so I don't want too much product to be on my face. Again, I like a very natural look, so I don't like too much, you know, makeup on my face when I go out. So I just go like so. So again, if you like more of a full coverage makeup look, this is probably not for you because I'm using very little foundation, and I'd like to just go over above my eyes, and let me see if I need any more. Probably gonna put some more on my cheek over here. Okay, next we're going to conceal. So I'm going again, I'm going to use Pro Conceal again in the color Fawn. I'm just going to squeeze out a bit, and then I'm going to go underneath my eye and draw kind of like a triangle, so to say. Sometimes I will put like more on one side and I try to like grab it and bring to the next side, but yeah. And then I go down the bridge of my nose and then a little bit on my chin, and just pull this back up. And then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender again, but this side I'm going to use this side. So sometimes I like to go with the side that I put the foundation on, and then just blend here so that it's not harsh with the highlight under my eye. And then now I bake. So now I'm going to bake. So this is Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I've had this for a very long time. So I think I purchased this on Amazon. I believe they don't sell this in stores in the United States. I'm not sure, but I don't think so. But so here I'm taking, this is a Real Technique brush. It has number 200 on it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. So basically I'm going to dip it in here, and then I'm going to hit on the side of the container to dust off the excess powder. And then I'm going to go in and basically like press it in all the places that we just highlighted. I'm going to get more. oops, I'm going to get more dust off and basically just damp it in those areas, and also on my chin. I don't like to put too much because I'm scared of flashback, although this product guarantees no flashback with my experience. So just let that sit there so you can bake. Again, a lot of people may put more, you know, setting powder, being that they put more concealer and foundation, but I'm very minimal and I'm doing my makeup. So this is it so far. After like a minute, I go in and I dust off all that powder, well, the excess powder that's still left on my face. Now after that, okay, now I like to go in with my setting spray. It's almost done, so if nothing comes out when I spray it, please don't laugh at me. It's the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is my favorite. So I just go like that, and I feel like this setting spray really gives you, like, it just blends everything together to give you that skin look. So I wait for my face to dry. Okay, so by the time about 3 minutes, I'd say, or less, your face should be dry. My chin is still a little bit wet, but I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna highlight. So I use Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. So this also comes with another color, Mean Money, but I don't use that side. I'm gonna show you how the inside looks. I don't know, can you guys see it well? I hope you guys can. But I'm using basically the glow side. And so here I'm using a Nyx Fan Brush. The number of the brush has rubbed out, but it's just a regular fan brush. So I'm just gonna dip it in slightly, and then I'm gonna go to my cheekbone and then just go in a circular motion like this, and do the same thing to the other side. And I put a little on my nose sometime, and I go like that, and that's it, literally. So next I usually do an eyeliner. So I usually go in, do a wing liner, but I'm not gonna do a wing liner today, but that's a part of my staple look. Because I have lashes on, I just can't. So right now I'm just gonna use my spoolie to like just brush out my lash extensions. I don't know, I never put on lash extensions with well, okay, let me rephrase that. I never put on strip lashes with lash extensions on already, so let's see how this goes. This is my favorite glue, like literally this is my favorite lash glue. It's the Tarte Pro, and I use the one that dries clear. They also have the same lash glue, but it dries black, I believe. But this, my favorite one. So I'm just gonna open it, and it comes with a little brush. I'm just going to put some glue on the lash band. So, you know, if you're like following this makeup tutorial, you know this is completely optional. I know some people already have naturally long eyelashes, so you may just put on mascara after this if you're going for the complete natural look. So yeah, I go for the natural look, but I like my eyelashes to pop. So yeah, put the glue, and then I'm going to just sit here and wait a few seconds for it to dry. Okay, so I'm going to use a tweezer to put it on. So I'm also going to be looking in this mirror here, because I am not a professional when it comes to putting on lashes. Like literally my makeup can take me 20 minutes, and then my lashes take 20 minutes in itself, literally. So, and plus I have on lash extensions, it might be harder. Yeah, it's definitely harder. I hope I don't look silly. Like I've never done this before, so I hope it doesn't look crazy. All right, we're just gonna do the next lash, and I like use my hand to like press them together as well. Okay, I hope I don't look crazy. I've never done this before, but yeah, so that's pretty much how I usually put on my lashes when I don't have lash extensions. So then we're using Cordine, which is my beauty line. We're using the shade Cordine today. So we're using the shade Cordine today. Okay, so basically this is the finished look for my makeup tutorial. I'm gonna take down my hair. Where is that? Ooh. Okay, and so yeah, this is the everyday makeup tutorial. So let me know how you guys feel about this tutorial. Let me know if you do anything different. Oh, I also want to note that I don't contour. There's no special reason to why I don't contour other than I don't know how to. I also like grew up always thinking that I had a very strong facial structure, so I tried to steer away from contouring. So I never contoured because I know it like snatches your face, according to the makeup gurus. So like my nose, I love my nose. Like I feel like I have a little mouse nose, so I don't feel like I want to make it straight, or I don't know what contouring does completely. But so yeah, that's probably like the reason why I don't contour, like the true reason. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.